In this video, we shall be talking about ellipse. So let's begin. Click on ellipse this time around. Don't go to any plane. If you click on ellipse, it will take you to this edit sketch property manager where you can now choose a plane. Remember, you can always rotate your drawing, your model, as I've been showing you in the interface, graphic user interface video. You can always use your arrow keys on your keyboard or drag your mouse, hold the center button and drag your mouse to rotate. You get. So now I'm going to choose right plane this time. So now I want to draw an ellipse. An ellipse always have what? Two focal points, two radius, major and minor. So I'm going to pick ellipse tool again. Sorry. I'll pick ellipse tool, guys. Just go here, pick ellipse tool. In case you are having issues, you mistakenly click somewhere, I wanted to make sure I click here. That was the reason why I stopped. I didn't want to continue. So assuming I clicked, let's assume I made a mistake now. I clicked, it's already forming something like this, but it's not where I want. Don't panic. You can decide to just press escape and go back and pick the tool. Or assuming you had even clicked twice, you specify first one as first radius and then specify second radius and then you say you want to delete it. Just select, you don't want it here. If you don't want it, you can delete it or you can drag it. See this point? I'll double click and move my hands and drag it and fix it there. So that's how it works, guys. So this guy has a radius, you can increase it. This one also has a radius, you can increase it. Now if you see this is rotating, it means it's not fixed, but that will be for sketch relations, guys. So now in ellipse you have partial ellipse, parabola and conic. Forget about the parabola and conic for now. Let's do partial ellipse. This is just also looking like what? 3-point what? Arc. It's like an incomplete ellipse. That's why they call it partial ellipse. So let's use it, guys. So if I choose here and I choose partial ellipse and I pick my first point 1, then says I start from here and then I go 2. Good. So now I can decide to come and stop here very close or here, just depending. So let's do it again, guys. Escape, pick partial ellipse. I specify what? First point, which is center point. Specify the radius, which is my first radius, and then go ahead to specify what? Second radius. After which I can now decide to create the partiality. Let's put it that way, that we want to create it on the ellipse, concerning the ellipse. So I can stop here. Yes. So this is it, guys.